Hello everyone, this is Henry Lee from Henry Arts. I'm doing watercolor painting today on silk paper. It's backed with paper and it's like a silk canvas paper, I would say. I'm using silicone paper as an adhesive. Because if I paint on this, you have to stretch it. It's kind of a hassle to do that. So I mounted first on a piece of computer paper, 24-pound computer paper. So I put the silicone paper or silicone adhesive on the surface first. Silicone comes with a release paper. It has a film attached. So after it cooled down a few seconds, peel it off from the corner. You can use heavier paper, like drawing paper, Bristol paper, watercolor paper, mixed media paper. Okay, and I put this this piece. Sorry. The silicone release paper back on to protect the surface, and then iron it again. So I have a perfect flat surface for watercolor painting or shimmer series painting. So this will prevent it from buckling when you do washes. Okay, let me do it again, just to review. Some people like to do it the other way. You know, you can mount the painting surface, painting paper first, and then you transfer. I think it's easier to put silicone, to mount the silicone on the backing first. This is all dry mounting, okay, no water. And then release the paper that comes with the silicone. And remember the waxy side facing down. So this, just in case it got stick on the surface. Because there might be some extra margin. If you use a regular paper, it might stick on it. So use the release paper is the best. You can use parchment paper if you don't have the release paper yet, but you will have one always, you know, when you release it from the silicone, and then just lift it. Just in case if there's some, you know, extra margin there, it will not stick on it. I can feel that. So that's ready to paint. Thanks for watching, and I'll put a link to buy silicone paper, and you can use professional dry mounting backing paper from us also, or you can use any paper. This is a little bit too thin. I just show you the process. Okay, this is the first time I tried computer paper. In this case, you might want to, you can mount another time, you know, but you can just iron on the back of it, so it will stay flat. Also, I will use, if the paper has a rough side and a coarse side, I will use the smooth side. I just updated the information on our website because I used to use the coarse side. I found the shiny side is even better to adhere, you know, with the silicone because there's no bump. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.